What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check video gifts on TikTok so you can see what you've earned and track your activity. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. From there, look for the Balance or Creator Tools section depending on your account type and region. Tap on it, then select GIFs or Video GIFs. This is where TikTok shows the GIFs you've received from viewers on your videos. Inside this section, you'll be able to see details like the number of GIFs you've received, your diamond balance, and recent GIF activity. These diamonds can later be converted into real money as long as you meet TikTok's payout requirements. If you don't see the Video GIFs option, make sure your app is updated and that your account is eligible. TikTok requires creators to meet certain criteria, such as age and follower count, before video gifts become available. And that's it. That's how you check video gifts on TikTok and keep track of what you've earned. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.